You don't seem to agree with me. You don't seem to agree with me. You don't know how to deal with others. You don't know how to deal with others. You are very short tempered. You are very short tempered. Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? Where is the ticket counter? Where is the ticket counter? Where have you kept my clothes? Where have you kept my clothes? What is his profession? What is his profession? What can be done now? What can be done now? What building is that? What building is that? We cut the cake into 4 pieces. We cut the cake into 4 pieces. This house is too late. This house is too late. Please give me your address. Please give me your address. No one came here. No one came here. It's too dark outside. It's too dark outside. It's not noon yet. It's not noon yet. It was not your fault. It was not your fault. I will see you at home. I will see you at home. I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. I have given up painting. I have given up painting. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. I feel hoarse. I feel hoarse. I feel nausea. I feel nausea. I can't accept what you say. I can't accept what you say. I am quite all right. I am quite all right. I am better. I am better. I am as before. I am as before. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How far from our house? How far from our house? How do people go there? How do people go there? How are you today? How are you today? He is out. He is out. He is not very well. He is not very well. He is my friend. He is my friend. He is a painter. He is a painter. He has caught a bad cold. He has caught a bad cold. He doesn't allow me to go there. He doesn't allow me to go there. From where did you buy your suit? From where did you buy your suit? Do you have to go now? Do you have to go now? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Crossing the street. Crossing the street. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.